Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with the MK Carpet Cleaning, and if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for watching. This channel is dedicated mostly to our cleaning. We typically clean carpets, upholstery, tile and grout, and even some hardwoods and other type of hard surfaces occasionally. Now, in this particular video you're going to be watching today, we're cleaning a condo located in Greensboro, North Carolina. And for this video, we did use a CRB, and we did pre-spray and vacuum and all that stuff. However, we just have the video recording of us using the carpet wand, which is a Prochem, I believe it's a quad titanium, and you also get to see some raking. I know we get a lot of requests for people wanting to see us rake the carpets, so if that's your thing and you're into that, just stay tuned because you'll get to see it. And as always, we want to thank everybody for watching, and if you're looking for a carpet cleaner and you're located within the Greensboro area, you can contact us at 336-465-6120. You can text us or even call us. You can also reach us via Instagram or Facebook, or even leave us a comment in this video if you choose to. But again, if you're not located within the Greensboro area, and by the way, when I say Greensboro, I'm talking about any of the surrounding cities also. But if you're not located in that area, you can also drop us a message, and we'll try to hook you up with a local cleaner that's close to where you live at. That is a good, reputable company, because we have contacts throughout the country via our social media, and also a couple of carpet cleaning groups we're a part of. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, again, leave those in the comment section. Like the video if you haven't already, and we will catch you on the next one.